Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now after the nav menu widget, the next set of changes have been introduced to the post widget in Elementor Pro 3.7. Now the first change that we are going to discuss is the introduction of automatically align buttons in the post widget. Now if you have been using the post widget to showcase posts in any of the pages or existing posts, then you must be familiar with the fact that at times the read more buttons do not align with each other. Now to showcase you this, what I have done is I've created 3 posts in Elementor 3.7 and 3 posts in Elementor Pro 3.6. Now I'm going to edit this post in Elementor. Now this one is in Elementor Pro 3.6. And what I am going to do is I'm going to add this post widget to it. Now when I will add this post widget, you can see right over here, these read more buttons do not align with each other, and there is no option available using which you can align these options, align these buttons basically. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Elementor Pro 3.7, edit this post in Elementor. Now I'm going to add the post widget right over here, and you can see these buttons do not align with each other, but there is an option available to automatically align buttons. So this is the new option that has been introduced in Elementor Pro 3.7 for the post widget. Now when I will click it, it will automatically align the buttons with each other. You can see right over here. Let me just disable this option, and you will see they are not aligned anymore, and on enabling, these will get aligned automatically. I am doing nothing else. Now let's go back to Elementor Pro 3.6, and you can see this feature is missing right over here. This is the read more option, this is the read more option, but there is no automatically align buttons option available in Elementor Pro 3.6. So this is the first change that you will come across in the post widget in Elementor Pro 3.7. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.